Hey, I'm Matt, the founder of Sign Customiser, and I want to talk about this really cool new feature that we've just launched that will help you streamline your quoting process. We call it quote mode, and what it allows you to do is set up a customizer tailored to a specific type of sign type. Now, in this demonstration, I am just going to be showing the neon letter signs. But as it will support all the existing product types that we support currently and any in the future too. This mode will be available for all. So traditionally speaking, up until now, you would, if you want to accept quotes from your customers, you would throw up a form somewhere on your website, and you'd expect them to provide an image to attach to the form. And then you would receive that image, and you would do your quote. So that works to a certain extent. That is fine, but we believe with this new feature, it's really going to streamline that whole process. So one big issue with the traditional approach is when it comes down to it, you don't have any control over the options or especially when it comes down to the design of the sign that the customer wants to get a quote from you. So you may only accept neon letter signs, or you may only accept channel letter signs, or any other kind of sign type, right? But end of the day, the customer can just send you an image and use that form, and you can't do anything with it. It's not really you can't quote it. You don't build those features, whatever. So using Sign Customiser, what you can do now is you can create a customizer particular to the type of sign products that you are selling. In this case, again, showing neon letter signs, sorry. And then you provide them with all the options. Now they can go ahead and they can use all the really cool features that we've built that allow the customer to type and to insert, say, graphical elements into their sign, change the fonts, change the colors, change the sizing, and any of the backboards and anything else, right, that you want to add to your customizer that you will allow the customer to basically choose from your available options. So we created a really intuitive visual and editing experience, and then what they can do is they can click on finalize quote, and then they just provide you with some final details, contact details. So just like any other traditional quote. I'll just quickly go ahead and do that. Okay, I filled out all the details, and then I would click submit. And then the form is submitted with the design that the customer has created. So let's go ahead and show you that on the email side. Okay, and on this would be the email that you would receive, and it contains all the details, the product selection, and even the graphic elements that you've used and all that kind of stuff. And it also includes 2 high quality images of the actual the design that was created. So by clicking this link, you're getting a presentation like that. You can change the background image to suit your needs, and you're also given a white version of the sign that we found that many manufacturers like to use as well, such as this. And we've also included we call it just a suggested price. So if you do input the pricing for the pricing in all the options that you add to your customizer, what happens then is that price can then be added into this form, and you can use that if you like, or if you don't need it, then that's fine too. But that can just help to speed up the quoting process. So yeah, as you can see, it is a really, really cool new feature that we believe will greatly help speed up the quoting process. And one of the best things that I haven't really talked about just yet is the ability to host this customizer now. It's no longer tied to Shopify. You can you don't even need to have a store when you are using quote mode and Sign Customiser now, because it's not generating products, so it's not integrating into the e-commerce systems. You can have a simple button on your website that just links to our hosted customizer. You can embed this customizer on your website using an iframe, and you can just accept quotes really quickly, and you can really get started in your selling custom sign journey really quickly now, because you're just accepting quotes from people and turning them to hopeful sales. All right, so we think that this is gonna help a lot of people out start their journey, and even from all ranges, from small to big stores. And we can't wait to see how you're using it. Okay, thank you and have a great day.